Hi guys, in front of me is Oppo A77s and let me show you how to add photo to contact. First open your phone dialer, go to contacts if you're not in this panel, select the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to and mark edit icon. Click on add photo, choose take photo if you want to grab a picture right now, so you can smoothly grab a picture and then assign it to your contact. Now you can customize it however you like, and that's it. But you can also set some picture from your gallery, so to do it just go to select new photo from photos, choose the picture that you want to apply, customize it however you like, tap on confirmation mark, click on save, and that's it. So this is it. This is how you can add photo to contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.